Minister of Grenada, Dixon Amis Thomas Michel, His Excellency, the host governor, my brother, Dr. Agbu Kefas, Executive Governor of Taraba State, His Excellency Alhaji Aminu Abdullahi Alkali, Deputy Governor of Taraba State, the Honorable Minister of Art, Culture, Tourism and Creative Economy, my dear sister, Honorable Anatu Musa Musawa Esquire, His Royal Majesty Dr. Ishaq Wada Ali, the Akuka Royal Father of the occasion, the Right Honorable Speaker, Taraba State House of Assembly and Honorable Members, members of the State Executive Council, Secretary to the Government of State, the Chief of Staff, Head of Service, Permanent Secretaries, Local Government Chairmen, Alhaji Abubakar Bawa, APC State Chairman, other party chairmen present, security agencies, distinguished guests from across Nigeria and around the world, ladies and gentlemen. It is today my singular honor and privilege to stand here representing a great son of Taraba State, a great son of Ukari, a great son of Nigeria, an African statesman par excellence, the leader of the Middle Belt of Nigeria, our father, General Theophilus Danjuma. I am highly privileged to stand here on his behalf and in his name, and I also would borrow another car and also stand here on behalf of the Nigerian Governors Forum in solidarity with our brother, the Executive Governor of Taraba State. Today, we are once again gathered on this historic ground to celebrate the rebirth of a renowned African cultural heritage, the Nwonyo annual traditional fishing festival here in Ibi, Taraba State. I am made to understand that the festival has its historical roots dating back to 1816, when it was discovered by the founder of the Ibi community, Buba Wurbo. For over a century, it has stood as one of the oldest surviving cultural festivals in Africa, a living testament to our rich heritage and enduring traditions. It may interest you to note that before the advent of this administration, this great festival was abandoned for over 14 years. Today, its revival is not just a return of an event, but the restoration of identity, the restoration of pride, and the restoration of cultural continuity. The Nwonyo Fishing Festival is more than a celebration. It is a powerful expression of who we are, a symbol of unity in diversity, and a platform for sustainable economic empowerment for our local communities. His Excellency Dr. Agbu Kefas, the Governor of Taraba State, made a bold commitment to transform the Nwonyo Lake into a major cultural tourism hub, not only in Nigeria but across Africa. Today, that vision is becoming a reality. As you can see, development is ongoing. It is therefore my privilege and honor to congratulate His Excellency Governor Agbu Kefas for this historic feat. The Taraba State Government has entered into a strategic partnership with the Tropicana Beach Resort under the leadership of Dr. Wanle Akim Boye, a renowned African heritage tourism expert. This collaboration aligns with the broader African diaspora vision to reconnect over 1.5 billion of African descent back to the continent through tourism, culture, and heritage. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Taraba State proudly stands as the only state in Nigeria with a Ministry of Heritage and Eco-Tourism. This is a clear reflection of the visionary leadership of His Excellency Dr. Agbu Kefas and his commitment to preserving our heritage while unlocking the vast tourism potentials of our land. Indeed, Taraba State is positioning itself and Nigeria at large as a gateway for tourism in Africa. In furtherance of this vision, the Taraba State government has mapped and packaged all tourist sites across the state and has conducted digital data capture of all fishermen participating in this festival, which can be accessed on the official website. For generations, Nwonyo has been a meeting point of people, stories, and traditions. Long before modern institutions, this festival served as a symbol of communal life, where strength, skill, patience, and resilience are displayed in their purest forms. The art of fishing here goes beyond the catch. It is a ritual. It is a cultural performance. It is a living bridge connecting our past, our present, and our future. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I wish to acknowledge and commend the intentional efforts of His Excellency, Governor Agbu Kefas, in making this vision a reality. I want to congratulate him and his entire team and all the partners that have come together. I therefore want to welcome all of us to this festival, a festival of pride, a festival of identity, a festival of endless possibilities. On behalf of the chairman of this occasion, whom I have the pride and honor to represent, I want to congratulate all the people of Bukari, all the people of Ibi, all the people of Taraba State for bringing this dream back to life. On this note, I personally want to say that the Nigerian Governors Forum will continue to support our brother, the Governor of Taraba State, to push this dream beyond possibilities. On behalf of the people of Plateau State, I want to say also that Taraba State is dear to the people of Plateau State, and together, whatever will develop and grow Taraba State, Plateau people will promote it. Therefore, I pray that this enduring relationship between all of us will continue to grow from strength to strength until our people are lifted out of the shackles of poverty into the glorious realms of prosperity. On this note, it is my honor to formally declare this festival open and to wish all of us a successful celebration of history, of pride, of tradition, and of the future. Thank you, and God bless.